Welcome to the CW Ice Village. Let's find out how to properly use all the equipments in our beautiful ice huts. If equipped with red heater, turn the switch knob to the pilot position while holding the switch knob down to get it ignited. If it's ignited, you will see a tiny flame in the middle of the heater. If it's not ignited, try again or ask staff for help. Now hold the knob down again and turn it towards the low or high power settings, depending on your need. Simply turn the knob all the way to the off position to shut it down. If equipped with white heater, turn the switch knob to the pilot position. Press the knob down, do not let go. Meanwhile, press the red button at the left side to get ignited. You will see a tiny flame in the middle of the heater. Turn the switch knob towards the power setting you need. Simply turn the knob all the way to the off position to shut it down. To use the cooking stove, unfold the upper and side covers. Turn the knob on either side to release propane. Once you hear the gas releasing sound, use the extended lighter to ignite the stove. Turn the knob clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the fire power. Turn the knob all the way clockwise will shut it off. Now, it's time to get some fishes. Open the whole cover by pulling the handle, set it under the bench. The ice surface will become frozen occasionally, but only with a thin layer. So we could use the bait net to clean it up. To use the fishing rod, unhook the hook from the guide ring. Please do not adjust the drag knob or the anti-reverse lever. A bucket of minnow is provided. Grab them with 3 fingers so it won't slip. Put the hook through the minnow's chin to its nose. Now we push the bail arm forward to release the line. Drop the weight all the way to the bottom. We can tell that when the line is curly. Now close the bail, reel the line back while holding the line by couple fingers until the line is straight again. Make sure the weight is still touching the lake bottom. Stay the position until you feel a pull from the line. If the fish gets hooked, it will pull the line very hard. Now reel it back quickly. If it's too small, release it right away to prevent any harm to them. If you need to keep the fish, just simply put it on the ice, they will be frozen quickly. When you finish fishing, clean the hook if there is bait on it, put it on the last guide ring, and tighten the line. Put the fishing rods on the rod holder. Don't forget to put the fishing hole covers back on. Be careful not to drop the rods or your personal belongings into the water.